Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. We are here with the fifth part of our 100-day JavaScript challenge series. So in today's video, we are going to find the number of occurrences of a minimum value in the number list array in JavaScript. So let's get started. So first, we will create a function called find maximum occurrence by using arrow function syntax in JavaScript. And I'm going to call this function at last. Now inside this function, let's create an array which holds all the integers. After this, let's create a variable which will hold the minimum value from this array of integers. So here in this case, the minimum value is 1. So it should hold the value of 1. So this can be done by using mat.min of array. So this mat.minimum finds out the minimum value from this array of integers and it will assign that value to this minimum value. Now let us create an array which will hold all the minimum values from this array of numbers. So this can be done by using filter method in JavaScript. So it will compare each value of this array of numbers with the minimum value whatever we have found. Now I am going to log this minimum value array dot length. As we have the minimum value as 1 and the number of occurrences is 4, it should print us the value as 4. So yeah, now let us add one more one here. It should return us 5. Now I'm going to add 0, so it should return 1 because there is only one 0 here. I'm going to add one more 0, so it should return 2. So in this way we can find out the occurrence of the minimum value in an array. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.